Assalamu alaikum. I'm Asma. Today I'm gonna share quick and easy method of tomato paste for different gravies and purees. For this you will need two tomatoes and some water. Boil this water. Now water is boiled. Add tomatoes in it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, take them out. And when they are enough cool that you can handle them easily, then peel its skin off. Now they are completely peeled. Now I will make cubes from them. They are all cubed. Now add all cubes into blender and blend them. Tomato paste is absolutely ready. If you find it easy and useful, then click like button, comment and let me know about your opinion, and share it with your family and friends, and subscribe Asma's Kitchen for further useful tips. Thank you so much for watching.